Yo, what's good? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. I'm gonna take a trade in front of you if I find a trade. But by the title of this video, you probably saw the outcome. Not really sure what it's gonna be. But man, I realized I'm just gonna start posting these recaps, these live trades in this channel because as you saw, I haven't been posting that much of trades. But I think it's like for the transparency, and also it's literally education because you literally see me take the trade in front of you. So man, with that being said, let's get into the video. Let's see what kind of trade we're gonna take today. Let's go. I just short the markets on Nasdaq. I'm looking for this amazing downtrend here to continue further to this low. This is a 5-minute OB. No, 50-minute OB. Yeah. Out of NQ, out of Nasdaq, that's a L right there. But I'm gonna take it. Okay, this was a roller coaster. I'm gonna say, bro. This was taking some time. But man, I'm gonna do a recap real quick. Let's go. L for today, man. L for today, $698.24. Okay, I'm gonna take that like a G. I'm not gonna complain. This is July, but if you guys don't know, like a lot lower volume, like chances of consolidation, but could have reached more, but I didn't this time. But let me do a recap because I want you guys to really learn, and what can I also potentially learn from this one. But I'm just gonna tell like this: I will take this trade again and again because this was a very nice downtrend respect. So first of all, session opens at around 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. each time, right? Obviously. Okay, what we do is we took some lows immediately as that opened, but we actually, this is the low that we took. This is the low that we took, but we closed below that at 10 a.m. That means that is a little break of structure, aka respect to the downside. Also, I think that happened also it didn't happen on S&P, but it happened on the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is now bearish on the 1-hour time frame as well. And what does that mean? Well, that means that it's time to look for sales. But now we're in the 1-hour time frame bearish order block. This might as well just continue later on and take out these lows that I wanted to take. But essentially, my bad. I'm a little bit sick today. But look at this. We have this 5-minute. We actually continue down in this downtrend. Okay, in the 5-minute, low lows, low highs, low lows, low highs, low lows. Right. This is after we broke structure, right, to the downside in the 1-hour time frame. Right. Now we broke structure. We tap into this 5-minute bearish order block, which is nice. Then I go to the 1-minute time frame. I want to see one more break of structure to the downside. And look at this. This is the 5-minute OB, right? Tap into that. And then we broke structure once here. I'm like, cool. This is a perfect entry. Continue a little bit down. Consolidate a little bit. This order block saves me. Then we'll continue down even more. I targeted this freaking 50-minute order block right here as my take profit because, I could have targeted these lows, but it's kind of like, like I said, July, it has a lot more consolidation. July is probably June, and December probably the low tier months. So that's why I didn't risk that crazy. But man, I'm going to take this L like a G. Would I take this trade again? Yes, absolutely. Because I do like this. This is pretty much like a very nice setup, like A+ setup. This is following the trend. Obviously, I'm going to take my word back. Not A+ setup because the session open was kind of trash, as you can see. Okay, S&P was a lot smoother, but the session open was trash. Okay, then it started to move, gain some volume, start to respect the trend, but then it kind of ass. Okay, it's gonna be ass again. But that's July. But I'm gonna take that L like a G. Tomorrow's gonna be a new day, hopefully. Okay, hopefully. But yeah, man, that's beautiful. Yo, man, there you saw it. Okay, as you can see, negative almost $700, but I'm gonna take that like a G. Like I said, tomorrow's gonna be a new day, hopefully. Okay, hopefully. But what we do as traders, we're gonna make sure that our winners always outweigh our losses in size. So when I hopefully take a win, it's gonna be a lot bigger. That's the goal in trading. Okay, that's how we make money. But man, hope you learn from this one because like I said, the market conditions are different on July, December, and usually on June as well. So be safe out there, risk less, like I did. But man, catch y'all up in the next one. As usual, I will see you on the other side. And by the way, if you want to learn for free, then click the freaking link that says a free course. Okay, it's a YouTube link, says a free course in the description. All right, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.